When it comes to personal computer processors, two main names often come to mind: Intel and AMD. In 2024, the competition between them continues to be intense, with both companies releasing new processors aimed at delivering the best possible performance to users. Latest processors: Intel Core i9-13900K series. Technology used: 10 nanometers. Superfin technology. Gaming performance. Intel processors often excel in gaming performance thanks to high frequencies and strong single-core performance. Multitasking. Intel offers excellent multitasking and multi-threaded application performance due to hyper-threading technology. Latest processors: Ryzen 7950X series. Technology used: 5 nanometers technology. Gaming performance. AMD has made significant improvements in gaming performance, making it very close to Intel in this area. Multitasking. Ryzen processors are known for their superior multitasking performance due to the higher number of cores and threads. Intel processors tend to be slightly more expensive than their AMD counterparts. AMD typically offers better value for money, with performance very close to or even surpassing Intel at lower prices. Intel processors require effective cooling due to their high frequencies and greater power consumption. Ryzen processors are more energy efficient and generate less heat, making them easier to cool. Intel platforms often see frequent changes, necessitating motherboard upgrades when upgrading the processor. AMD's AM4 platforms support multiple generations of processors, making it easier to upgrade without changing the motherboard. Suitable for avid gamers and enthusiasts seeking high performance in single-core applications. An excellent choice for those needing multitasking and working on multi-threaded applications, such as video and audio editing. In 2024, both companies are expected to continue their competition with more technological innovations and performance improvements. Intel processors might move towards smaller manufacturing technologies and better power efficiency, while AMD continues to strengthen its market position by improving performance efficiency and offering more value for money. There is no single answer to the question, which is better, as it largely depends on the user's specific needs. If you are a performance-hungry gamer, Intel might be your best choice. However, if you are looking for multitasking performance and energy efficiency, AMD Ryzen processors will be the better option.